Welcome to part 9, When Power Replaces Love, Narcissism in Marriage. Today we explore how narcissism can distort the sacred bond of marriage, replacing love with control and intimacy with manipulation. Marriage is meant to be a partnership of selfless love, mutual respect, and shared growth. But when narcissistic traits enter the relationship, the dynamic shifts. Control replaces care, identity becomes blurred, and one partner may begin to feel more like property than a person. Identity versus ownership. As Professor Sam Vaknin insightfully states, our personality and identity should never be merged with someone else's. Yet many find themselves in marriages where individuality is suppressed and the narcissistic spouse claims ownership over their partner's thoughts, choices, and emotions. Verses like Colossians 3 verse 18, "Wives, submit yourselves unto your own husbands," are often misused to justify control. But the very next verse, Colossians 3 verse 19, reminds husbands to love their wives and not be bitter towards them. Submission was never meant to be subjugation. It was meant to be trust, love, and mutual respect. 1 John 4 verse 8 tells us God is love, and love by its very nature liberates rather than confines. It uplifts rather than diminishes. No woman or man should feel like a prisoner in their own home. That is not love. That is control. Ephesians 5 verse 28 verse 33 calls husbands to love their wives as Christ loved the church, sacrificially, tenderly, and unconditionally. True love celebrates individuality. It doesn't erase it. If you truly love someone, wouldn't you want them to shine brighter, not dim their light? Marriage thrives when love is selfless, when partners uplift one another, take genuine interest in each other's inner worlds, and celebrate each other's uniqueness. Control has no place in this sacred bond. Love fosters care, understanding, and mutual growth. When power replaces love, a marriage loses its essence. Two souls meant to be companions become adversaries, but by returning to God's principles of love, respect, and individuality, we can transform marriages from battlegrounds of control into sanctuaries of connection. Thank you for watching part 9. See you in part 10.